Yo, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is and buy some drip. Welcome, folks, to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. All right, folks. I mean, I am getting pumped here. And real quick, once again, shout out to Crypto Kings. If you don't know his channel, you need to go check him out. He gets me so fired up about drip, about the animal farm, about Forex, about piggy bank. I mean, sometimes I don't even listen to AMAs anymore from Forex. I just wait for him because he does an amazing recap and really kind of highlights everything, you know. So definitely check him out. His video today was awesome. I'm all fired up. Some of the things that Forex said in an AMA today is pretty bullish and pretty bold. Okay, so you know, I'm getting excited. Yes, the price of drip is going down, just like, you know, the markets in general. I mean, we had a nice little reverse on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the chart in a little bit here, but you know, we're in a state where there's a lot of fear out there. But you know, people are, I think, grossly underestimating the drip protocol. And you know, I guess for today, I just want to keep it to the faucet and to drip. All right, Animal Farm is going to be, you know, next week, right? But the faucet and drip, I want to buy, I think, more drip. I had been saving some money for the launch of the piggy bank, but yesterday I bought some drip, not a lot, just 10 drip, right? And today I think I want to buy whatever BUSD I have left in my wallet. I think I do want to buy. I wanted to quickly just show something here. Okay, so on my YouTube channel, I did a poll yesterday, and I said, which price below is more likely for drip by year end? I think grammar of that is, I think, horrible. Anyway, 238 people understood the question, and these were the answers. So the answers that I gave as a choice were $10 drips, $50 drip, $750 drip, or I put rug pull. So, you know, I don't know. I think this is interesting. I mean, I'll tell you what, we've gone over the numbers. A year from now, if drip is at $10, all of us that are in drip right now are up big. Okay. A lot of people, you know, said the $50 range, which, you know, I think it's going to be a bit higher than that. I think we're going to be in a 3-digit number. The reason I put that 750 in there, that wasn't just random. You know, that would be in terms of, if you're following the drip cycle, the next bull run off of the low, if you match it to the last bull run, was about a 2,400% gain. And so that's where 750 is. That would be 2,400% gain from where we're at right now. Highly likely that that could happen. I don't know if it would happen by year end. My boy Crypto Kings thinks we might hit 1,000 by summer, and I back him and support him, and I will be just as fired up. Listen, this actually very well could happen. I mean, if what Forex is saying is true, it's very possible that this could happen. The reason I brought this up, though, is the rug thing. And you know, 3% of 238 is, you know, I don't know, it's like what, 7 people. Now those could just be, you know, just idiots or haters, the fudsters, whatever. But if someone actually has this as a concern, which I understand, DeFi right now is pretty heavy. This really isn't a likely. I don't even think this is possible. You know, again, this is the Faucet protocol is hard coded to the Binance Smart Chain. Like it doesn't, you can't. It can't just go away. You're going to get the 1% off your deposits. Okay. The price of drip is, you know what I mean? No one knows what's going to happen with that, but we do know you will get 1% up to 365% of your deposits. And that's not going to change. So there's no, it can't rug. So I just, you know, the 7 people that put that there, they probably were just the fudsters, but in case any of you like have that as like a concern, you know, that's just the mechanics of it won't allow it to do that. So let's take a look over at the Bitcoin chart. I just wanted to quickly look at, you know, I do like to just so I think it's important to take a look at what's going on, in the market. As I've said before, that Bitcoin does affect a lot of the things that we're doing in DeFi space and in crypto in general, right? So what Bitcoin is doing does reflect kind of the sentiment overall in the markets. And we've kind of been doing this trading in this channel here, and I think that there is some fear out there in the market. Yesterday we had just a nasty red day, and today we've had a nice little bounce back. But I mean, look, the stock RSI is below 50, right? So I'd say the bears are still somewhat in control here. And let me just quick take a look at something here. We draw using the Fibonacci tracement. So you can see at this 0.786, which is in that kind of 36. I mean, there's a lot, there could be some good support in that area. If that goes 33, listen, who knows what's going to happen? I have no idea what's going to happen, right? And technical analysis only can help just, that much. You have to weigh in fundamentals, you have to weigh in world events. So, it's just one little thing that you try and incorporate into a bunch of other things to sort of make an assessment and a best guess and just sort of be prepared, right? Who knows what's going to happen. So now we come over to drip. Oh, we're at 29.5 now. Last time I checked, it was like 29.8. So, I mean, it broke here. Could it continue to go down? Absolutely. But I think I want to buy. Just in case it doesn't, I want to at least be able to say that I got in sub 30. So we come over to, all right, we're over here at the Faucet. And by the way, I did buy yesterday, but not a lot. I only bought, you see my deposits, I only bought 10. The last time we checked in a couple of days ago, I had 220 in there. So now I'm at 230. So I bought yesterday just 10. I don't have a ton of BNB left because I have been saving it for the relaunch of the piggy bank. But I think at this point, I'm just gonna buy. I'm buying more drip. All right, so as you can see, I got some BUSD in here. Okay, and I need to convert that to BNB. Just for some of you that don't know, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over to Pancake Swap. By the way, guys, bookmark the projects that you're in. Make sure you're bookmarking them. There's a ton of scams going on right now. If you type in the wrong website, it can take you to something that's trying to, hack your wallet, get your seed phrase, all that stuff. So I like to bookmark the things that I use the most. Not that is a surefire way, but it's definitely, you always want to check here, pancakeswap.finance. Swap. Yep, there we go. It's in. And never give your seed phrase away. I feel like that's something that we should know, but I keep hearing about people that have done that and going onto websites that are asking for it, and it looks like legit, but it's not. It's a scam. All right, so I'm going to connect my MetaMask. The other thing that I do, guys, in terms of just some security measures, is I always disconnect my MetaMask wallet from all the sites that I'm on when I'm done with the computer, including the Faucet. So I have to reconnect every time I go back on. All right, so we want to switch, right? So we want to go to our BUSD, and I'm going to switch that to BNB. All right, we're going to do max. Okay, swap down here, hit it again, confirm, and close that. All right, so now I got 1.26 BNB. I got a few bucks I can throw at drip. All right. All right, but we're going to go over to the swap. And we're going to buy some drip. Now I need to save. I always like to have BNB in my balance, right? Because you need it for the hydrating and stuff like that. So let's make it 15 drip. Buy. Total right. Confirm. Buy successful. All right, now we come back over to the Faucet. And now I got my drip here. Oh, damn. Wanted to make that a nice 15. Should have got just a little bit more. Oh, well. All right, so now I'm going to deposit this. Deposit successful. Shebang. Boom. There we go. Now you may be asking yourself, like, man, like, why are you buying right now? Like the price is, it doesn't look good and you're trying to, it could just keep going. Why not wait to see if it bounces off somewhere? Yeah, that's true. I mean, for the most part, you know, like you don't want to go trying to chase and catch a falling knife, right? Because you're going to get cut. But the truth is, it's just different with drip and the way the protocol is and the mechanics are. I'm just trying to get my deposits up, you know, as many deposits as I can. I'm not, yes, I do like to try and find good entry points, but the thing is that if this thing comes down to 20, it will take a little bit of time. And by that time, I'll probably sell some of my stronger. I got Zeus nodes that I'm getting ready to take some profits on. You know, maybe I'll get another client in my business and I'll have more capital to then pump in at that price. If it does do that, I just, you know, just in case 29 is as low as we get, and then we start seeing some type of reverse, I wanted to get in now. Could it continue to go down? Yeah. I mean, who knows? This is a protocol that incentivizes people to take drip out of circulation, right? So it's an unbelievable protocol. And I think that people, you know, in the grand scheme of things, right, they're gonna look back a year from now and they're going to be saying, man, during that time, those are the lucky ones that got in. I really believe that. If you're not in drip yet and you want to be, I'm going to leave my buddy code down below. You need a buddy contact to enter into drip. It is definitely a word of mouth type of protocol, which is one of the reasons I'm so bullish on it. People think that because you need a referral, it's some type of pyramid scheme or Ponzi scheme. You know, I say take a look at the banking system, which is the biggest Ponzi scheme ever created on the planet. But that's a whole other thing. Point is that it's not the way Ponzi and pyramid schemes work is that people only at the very top make money, and that you cannot make money if you're down below unless you're recruiting people under you. That's not the case with drip. There are people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars that don't have one person on their team. It ain't like I'm making a ton of money with the people on my team. I mean, I'm grateful for every single one of you if you're watching, and I'm going to be doing some airdrops on Friday, right? But it's, you know, I got 16, I've made 9 drip or 10 drip. It's great. I'm pumped. I'll take it. Give me 2. But, you know, you don't need to do this to make money on drip. So if you're not in it and you have questions about it, let me know down below. I will leave my buddy address and directions on how you can get it from Binance, or how you can get it from BNB. And yeah, guys, catch you all in the next one.